Yellow.
My whanau, how are you? So yeah, we're giving this vlogging life a proper go. We're off today. Where are we going today?
Going for a hike, do some bombs.
Yeah, we're going to Falls in Helensburgh.
Yay.
It's got a little hike there, get to a waterfall, and do some Manus, have some lunch. And yeah, we're just your normal poly whanau from New Zealand, showing you our little adventures through life in Australia. My whanau, here we are, made it to our destination, Falls in Helensburgh. We're going to have a little hike through, see what it's like. And yeah, here we are whanau, there's our little crew there, and we're going to get on our march now. Here we go.
30 or 45 minutes one way.
So we want to go Falls. Which one do we do?
Let me have a look, he's got it, he's sassing for us, my bros.
You want to go to the main road? I think we're doing that.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to go that way. Not that way. Where does that go? That's home.
That way.
Yeah, but
Why
like,
did they go that way with towels?
we saw it. Which
I
one's
think
the...
we've got,
See, that's walking track. Falls walking track. We're going to go through there.
so hold there. Here we go whanau, we're just having a little march through the beauty over here. Who's with us? All right, where are we going? Where are we going? We've got to be careful for some wildlife out here.
Everyone for themselves once the snake comes out.
Everything's looking pretty steep down here. Everything's looking pretty steep. Yeah, we'll follow one. Where are we going? Coming down here a little bit. Oh, mean, beautiful out here, whanau. Look at it. Oh, we might be following those people down there. Keep it flowing with them. Yeah, we got one. We're following you, one. Yeah. So be very careful, everybody. Yeah, we got cutting grass here, so don't touch or pull on those. Yeah, bit of a good adventure. Oh, hectic. Woohoo!
Don't grab that bush.
There's everybody. Look at that little bit of art up in here. He's alright.
Hey.
Ooh. He's alright now. Past our first obstacle. We're a bit slow. Where's Wines? Wines. Oh, there we go. Coming back up a little hill. Only been out here once, but I can't remember this way. But you know what? We're just marching through our bush. Let's just have a look around. Oh yeah, we got some ropes set up here, which means we must be coming the right way. First one, you got us one. Show us your way down.
Don't ever jump there, you jump straight on the
Ooh, we got some drops down. And go Winey's way. I'm just coming this way to stop anybody that falls.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
You're our safety man, Wine. He's alright. Man. Oh, coming back up now. Ooh, be careful. There's a lot of drops around. If you are coming this way whanau, maybe not bring our young kids. Didn't think it was going to be like this, but we're alright. Got some other people down here, which means we're going the right way. Well, we got down a little bit far now. We're still on our way down. Bit of a tricky descent. Oh, look, there's the other way could have come down. I'm going to climb up that way on our way back.
What? Up there?
Yeah.
Actually.
Yeah. I'm sure that was the way me and Hayes come first. Take your fellas time. This is alright.
If she falls down, don't my nose, we're all falling down.
Yeah. You're coming with us.
Really before, I hope we end up in I think we're almost there.
I don't know if we came the right way with those other people. We're alright.
They went down that way, did they?
Yeah.
Okay?
Shit. We're alright. Oh, I got halfway down, forgot my bag. Lucky the young one grabbed it. Shots, eh?
I think we're almost there.
Oh, yeah.
Okay?
How's everyone feeling? How's everyone feeling?
Oh,
It's shaky.
but yeah, a bit shaky.
Yeah.
Bit shaky. A bit shaky.
We didn't think it was going to be this dodgy. Easy way down there.
Give it a shot.
What's that?
Can we see the waterfalls?
Yeah.
Oh, we're getting there, we're getting there.
What if this just rolls down?
Well, there was a guy. We had a quick look at some facts that did own this property and he did make a decent walkway. Yeah. But we thought we'll come straight through the bush.
Next one, I'll bring it. Thank you.
Yeah. And yeah, next time, if you want to come out here, whanau, go the, straight away with the kids.
Oh, look.
Where? Oh, yeah, we're almost there.
You go.
We can hear it.
And I can see it. We're there.
We're there. Just be careful, don't fall in, we're almost there. Oh, and it might be shallow there. Well,
On the rocks. Into the rock.
woo, watch out for those drops. And we are just coming out. Here we go. Yeah. Man, we've got some people here. Hectic. Look at that. Hectic.
Back in the day.
Oh wee.
Boy, you reckon you can jump from up there?
Nah, look. Oh, fuck, you know what? You never know. Oh, look, bro's up there. Up,
Run, jump, eh?
probably up where he is, yeah.
Yeah, run, jump.
Oh, would it be shallow?
There we go.
Right, wait, who's jumping in? Wait, is this where we're supposed to be?
Now, what are we up to now? We might go for a venture round after, but we might just get in their water, whanau, check our water out.
Right.
Me, no.
Kia ora my whānau. I'm just here to talk about our amazing hike. It took about 10 to 15 minutes to get there. And as you can see in the video, here we are checking out the water, see if it's deep enough to do bombs. But yeah, we reckon leave our babies at home. Don't want them to get attacked from the snaky. And if you like our content, subscribe to OnlyTheWhanau and like that shit up. Let's go.
And then I was thinking, oh wow, that was a bit of a dodgy pass. What are you going to do? Go for a little hike in the bush? Find some snakes, not lizards. Alright, here we go, whānau. About to leave the kids behind. They're going to have a little swim. I'm going to go do us a little walk through our little nature. We're going to follow this down. So yeah, whānau, if you're going to bring your kids out here, bro, hectic. Bring you out a kite, have a munch, swim. I would suggest a longer way if you've got younger kids though. There are a few little drops down here, my whānau. There are a few. Alright, I'm going to show you our view now. And we're just going down to that end and I'm turning back around. We're getting used to this vlogging. So I'm just trying to have a kōrero and stroll at the same time without falling. There we go. Yep. Like a bit hard getting around with holding the one phone up. So yeah, whānau, we're starting this vlogging like proper. Keep us active as a whānau. Whoa. Shit. And yeah, get us out every week. We'll keep you up to date what we get up to. We're going to share our local attractions, whānau. So this is a good one. If you don't know, we are from Wollongong, South Coast, New South Wales. Holy fuck. Shit, sorry. No swearing on our vlogs. Whew. Almost fell. That's where I just come from up there. Didn't look like much, but a bit of a dangerous little trek. Here we go. Ooh, here the boys, still Manus. Here those Manus from halfway down the hill. Butterfly. Well, check this out, whānau. Oh, we got another waterfall over here. Yeah, let's go. Whānau, on my little journey through the bush, left the kids at the other waterfall. Fuck, I think I found another waterfall. So I'm just going up for a look, but we got to climb up this ugly little part. So let's have a look what we can do. I'm going to put my phone up there. Back. Oh shit. Oh shit, man. A lot of spider webs around. Not the biggest fan of spiders. But here we go. Oh, Here we go, find another waterfall, I'm pretty sure. What a kick up. Cracked it. One day, whānau, I'm going to get us a tent. Yeah, here we go. I could hear it, whānau. Yeah, now we get a good view around. Yeah. Here we go, another beautiful waterfall. Wow. Shit might be a bit too sunny. Went through my little hike through the bush. Gee, found another one. Wow, look at that. Woo. Just trying to get over to this rock without falling in and fucking my phone up. So I can get us a little around the world, little view. And whānau, on these also, let me know what I'm missing. May not be the best talker yet, but yeah, look what we found. Woo! Look at that. And check it out, whānau, here she is. Found us another one just in the bush, just cruising around. Look at it. Hectic. Whoa. Get out, whānau, far really, really beautiful. Hey, if you're having a hard day, man, you know, stress is getting to you fellas, man, don't be shy to get out in your nature and get in touch with it, man. It's beautiful out here, refreshing for me. But yeah, awesome day with our whānau out, sharing you our local attractions, whānau. If you can get out here, come and get out here, bro. It is beautiful. Check that out. You can dip anywhere, all fresh water. Beautiful. All right, let's see if we can find us another one. I'll get some more pictures and views of this so you can actually see what it looks like. And at the same time, still keep an eye out for some wildlife. See what we can get to. It might be that Māori sea bear and find if I find a snake today, I'll catch it for you. Only for the vlog. All right, we're leaving this waterfall. Look at it. Wow, what a perfect view there. Hey, my brother, how are you? Got a friend out in the bush with us. I'm just doing a vlog, having a look around nature. Very beautiful. Where are you from, my brother? Oh, nice. You don't mind if I get you on video? I'm just trying to start vlogging life.
It's illegal because there was a kid fell down on the lark trail and they banned it.
Oh, wow.
But
True.
you still go, like the kids still go. But the only thing, if you see a ranger, you will get fined.
Oh, right. So when did that accident happen?
A couple of years ago.
Wow.
Yeah.
So there's a waterfall we might go have a look at next that you're actually not allowed to travel to because a young fella passed away, fell off the side. We might bring that one up next.
He didn't pass away, he just fell and then Dad's getting a helicopter and everything.
He didn't pass away, so finally he got helicopter rescued and wow. Yeah. Let's hope that don't happen to us.
No, it's a boring hike. It's like 8K flat and then only last K.
No, we're alright. This is beauty. And you by yourself?
Yeah, it's like 6 hike.
Oh, beautiful, brother. That's the way.
That's the bird down there, Wollongong.
Yeah, and that's where I'm from.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Sweet. This is the one.
We're gonna have a look. Our bro's giving us some more spots to hit.
It's down here. All the
Carrington Falls.
Yeah, there's a big one. There's it. Balmore Falls is illegal. You can't go there.
Balmore Falls is illegal. That might be our next trip.
You can, but that's what I meant. It's got a massive one.
I didn't even know they had illegal.
That's the one.
Gerringong Falls.
Yeah.
Oh wow. That's our next one.
Yeah. That's about an hour and a half down towards Wollongong.
Wow, beautiful.
And that is a nice one.
Nice. And that's going to be part of our vlogs. If you want to subscribe to our YouTube, bro, go on OnlyTheWhanau, and we're going to start chasing waterfalls.
Oh, that's what I've been doing. Like, I've been going from Sydney, Melbourne. When I have a holiday, I'll go up to Brisbane, the Gold Coast. There's one good one in the Gold Coast. It's called Love's 4.
Love's 4?
On Alex Road.
On Alex Road.
You don't see anyone because it's only like 3 or 4k down, but it's so, you can have like 3 or 4 waterfalls.
Wow.
But it's so dangerous. It's much, like literally you climb down on the waterfall side.
Ooh.
When I went there, I didn't see anyone. I only saw one person came out, and then I sat down and there's another way going back, but you have to abseil.
Oh wow, we're not up that level yet.
No,
But
I think the best thing you do is subscribe to All Trails.
All Trails?
And it shows you all the maps. Like, see how...
What is it? All Trails.
It's an app.
Yeah. Awesome. Oh wow.
You can profile to like say waterfall only.
Wow.
So,
yeah.
So you click on waterfall and it shows you all the waterfalls.
Oh bro, that is the app I'm gonna get. What is it called? All Trails. All Trails for your hikes in the bush, whanau.
It costs like $35 a year.
Beautiful. That's alright. Yeah, that's cheap. This is priceless. Look at that.
Yeah.
Can't put a price on that. And meeting new friends while we're out having a hike too.
Yep.
That's what it's about. Beautiful.
I don't think there's anything down there.
Cool. Hey brother, and just because I'm just starting vlogging, you don't mind if I put that up? It's a good little talk.
Yep.
Give me some skin, my brother. Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Good.
And let's just keep plodding along in our bush, see what we can come across. Make sure you have a good day, my brother.
Yep.
And All Trails is the app to download, eh?
Yep.
Thank you. What else we got out here? Beauty. Just met a mate. Got a good app so we can go and find some more waterfalls. Wow, the waterfalls that he was just showing me. I know that's a bit of a hard track once. I think he's a proper hiker. But you see, it's nice to come out, whanau. Never know who you come across. Always good to talk to people too. Be humble and respectful, whanau, and you never know, you learn something off people. Sorry about the sun up in there. But yeah. Once I get to the bottom, I better shoot back up because everybody be wondering where I've been. Where's our snake, whanau? Should I just slide down here? How do I get down there? Alright, we're going back around this way. So beautiful out here. Oh, met me a bro too. Just met me a hiking bro. Might go get some waterfalls with him. Snaggy. Here's a look what we got. Look at that. Beautiful, whanau. Beautiful up here. Got a bit of an eerie feeling down here, whanau. All by myself, just come across some spiders, so now I'm a bit fucking freaked out. Feel like I'm gonna come across a body. Oh, Ivan Milat better not have did no fucking visits out here. Now I'm going back. I don't know how we're going back. Fuck, a bit lost. Alright, let's go this way. Shit. Let's get our journey back. Whanau, now we're going back. Shit, I don't want to go that way. No, I got to. This is the dumb way, actually. Nope, we just gotta go. Man, now all I got is snakes and spiders in my mind. And this is coming through the bush. Bloody hell. I might just run. Just so nothing gets on me. Whoa. Shit, what I come this way. Alright, we're on a good adventure now. I think I'm a little bit lost. I can't go back up that same way because of the big rocks I dropped down. I don't know if I'll get back up them with one hand and a bit slippery. Now we're off track. We're gonna make our own track. Oh. What was that? Whew. What's going on there? Looks like someone tried to burn their tree. Someone's been up here. Alright, back through the bush now. Shit. Huh. There we go. Still on my way back. But in a spooky little spot now. I don't know what the fuck that is. Someone's picnic blanket. Got left out here. What you doing down here? Fuck. Now I gotta carry on. Alright, there we go. We're just marching back through our bush, whanau. Hope I don't slip anywhere. I feel like I came too far. We're alright. We alright. Whoa. Woo. Let's try to walk down that. Fucking idiot. Some hectic time through the bush. Good to get away from the wheel too, whanau. Come out and chill on your own, buzz. Nobody bumps into you out here. Oh. Whoa. Me. Feel like I'm getting a little bit closer. Oh yeah, pretty, not much out here, whanau. I thought there would have been more wildlife or something. But there's some beautiful waterfalls. How far am I? Yeah. Don't be shy to subscribe to us too, whanau. Help us get out there. And if you've got any like attractions you want us to come out and see, give it the whanau rating. We'll take our family out and then we'll tell you if it's suitable for whanau's like ours. Oh! Yeah, and hear that waterfall dropping a bit closer. You can hear our music now. Whoa, almost back. Oh, another vlog down whanau. Good day out with our whanau, that's what it's all about. Just getting some time and checking with nature, checking with each other. Boom. Alright, Toodaloo's waterfall, we out. Why are we